Grand Rising, good morning, whatever's your flavor. So it is Vlogtober day 2, episode 2, whatever. And I'm still working on my hair. It is 6 in the morning. And I'm gonna show y'all what I got done so far. I have not seen the back, so hopefully it looks good out. Hopefully it looks good back there. So hopefully y'all seen it. I don't know. And I don't know. Oh, this not gonna work. No, that's not gonna work. Yes, I'm trying to find a little makeshift way to do that. Oh, okay. We found a way. Okay, so I gotta do this top part. And I gotta get my child up in a little bit, so I'm trying to hurry up. Which is why I got out the bed, because I was working on my hair while I was in the bed sitting down. But I said, you know what? I need to hurry up because I want to wear makeup today, and today my appointment is at 9. So it's looking like I might not be able to, but I'm still in the phase of getting myself together. I did my nails and I did my lashes, and now I'm doing my hair. I took my toe polish off and I clipped my toes, but I haven't done nothing as far as soaking my feet or anything, so yeah. I just got finished. It is 7:13 and thereabout. I'm gonna get the baby up. I should have got him up by 7, but I was like almost done. So my hair is complete. When I get up to the salon, I'm gonna go ahead and set up under the dryer while my client is up under the dryer, and then I'm gonna take my clips out. So this is my only client today. Right now I am pre-rinsing his locks before I apply the shampoo. Sometimes I do this on clients when I feel like they have a lot of product in their hair. Hey guys, okay, so I'm like, oh my gosh, because today is day 2 of Vlogtober. I have successfully recorded day 1. It's just not up yet and it has to get up. So anyway, this is day 2 of Vlogtober. This is my first year attempting Vlogtober, so I'm excited about that. I've attempted Vlogmas three or 4 years now, but I haven't made it past a week. So I'm thinking Vlogtober will be a good, no pressure exercise to try for vlogging, because I'm trying not to overthink it. Okay, so we're gonna take my retwist down. So I guess this segment of this vlog is take my retwist down with me. If you have been keeping up with me so far, this is gonna be a little off, sorry. If you have been keeping up with me so far, I have been like doing a glow up. So I did my nails, they're already chipped. I did my nails yesterday. I'm trying to go for a fall vibe. And I did my lashes. What you got over there? Oh, Mary, he took off his socks and his shoes. Okay, so I'm just gonna take my retwist down, and then when I get done with taking it down, I'm gonna start on my client. He is currently up under the dryer, so I'm getting that done. So I'm excited. I told myself for this Vlogtober, I'm going to do all my editing and recording on the phone, of course, because that's the only cameras I have right now. Yeah, so I'm just going to for it to be no pressure, and my phone is the only device that I have with me the most. Like as far as my computer is currently at home, and then to take that out, and I'm trying to create eliminate as much friction as possible when it comes to doing Vlogtober, because I've been trying to do the most, you know, and then it doesn't work out. So yeah, so okay, so let's see. I need to do some things in here in the salon. I have paperwork that I need to do as well. It's like paperwork is like dishes. Like you get done with them today, it's no stuff to do tomorrow. It's like, dang, I thought I was done with this. But oh my goodness, y'all, I have not seen my scalp in like 3 months, I think. I did not retwist my hair last month, and the month before, I don't think I retwist my hair that month either. We're in October, so yeah, it's been a while. So I'm trying to, my head looks bigger with my hair done. It's so much flatter. But yeah, I'm trying to get some stuff done in here. I have to make a list, a to-do list. And also, with my hair this time around, I palm rolled everything. I didn't feel like interlocking this time, so I just palm rolled. They may or may not stay, because I don't have a style in, so. Okay, so all my clips are out. Oh my gosh. Now I look like y'all's stylist. Like I look like I could do somebody's hair. You know what I'm saying? Like before, it's probably was giving, girl, you need to make some time for yourself. Are you sure you do hair? Because your hair is looking tragic. But yeah, my locks are finally looking like a stylist, like they belong on a loctician's head. So, how are my parts? I have not seen the back of my head yet. Hopefully they're good. Hopefully they are good, because this was definitely a blonde retwist. I did not look in the mirror until I got to the front. And yes. So we have lashes done, hair done, nails. I'm gonna say they're done. They're chipped, but they're done. I'll probably see how long do they last. I was doing dip nails. I was trying to hurry up. I'm about to get into doing my client's hair, so don't wait for that. If you made it to the end of this video, thank you so much for watching. I'll see you in the next one. Bye!